Hello and welcome to the Beginner English Speaking course. I am so excited to help you to improve your English. My name is Harry and this is Learn English with British Harry. So congratulations for taking a step forward in your English journey. This course is designed especially for beginners who want to start speaking English with confidence. So I will speak slowly and give you lots of examples to build your confidence when speaking English. At the top of each page, you will see a box here. When you have completed and finished the chapter, you can tick to track your progress. You can also watch more lessons on my YouTube channel, Learn English with British Harry. Let's have a look at some of the chapters here. So we have 12 chapters. I'm so excited to help you. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Basic Words for Every Day. We have a list of words with some example sentences. The very first word you need to know is hello. Hello. You can say, hello, how are you? I want you to repeat after me. Hello, how are you? This is used when you meet someone for the first time. Goodbye. 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 See you tomorrow. Repeat after me. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Please. Please. Can I have some water, please? Please is a very nice word to use. You sound polite and it's a nice word to say often. So repeat after me. Can I have some water, please? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Thank you is also used to be polite. Improve your English and join my group English speaking class. Email me at info@britishharry.com for more information. The class costs a small fee. Again, you can email me for more information at info@britishharry.com. Thank you for your help. Very good. Sorry. Sorry, I am late. Repeat after me. Sorry, I am late. Very good. Excuse me. Excuse me, could I get past? Repeat after me. Excuse me, could I get past? Excuse me is also a polite word to use. Here, the person wants to get by. So maybe there are some people in front of you, and by saying, excuse me, could I get by, is a polite way to ask someone to move. Yes, yes, I like tea. Repeat after me. Yes, I like tea. No, no thank you. I don't want any cake. No, thank you. I don't want any cake. Friend. My friend is very kind. My friend is very kind. Help. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? So here we're saying can, we're being polite. So these are something called modal verbs. Here you've seen could and you've seen can. These are very polite words, so can you help me? Very good. Now we're going to try some questions. I want you to fill in the blanks with these words. So you can pause the video, try your best to match the words, and let's go to the answers. And again, you can repeat after me or say the sentence at the same time. Hello, how are you today? I'm late, sorry. Can you help me, please? Thank you very much for your help. Excuse me, can I ask a question? Do you want tea? Yes, please. Say no when you don't want something. My best friend is Tom. Could you give me some help, please? Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Very good. Now we will listen to some conversations using these words. Conversation 1. Hello, my friend. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Conversation 2. Excuse me, can you help me with this bag? Yes, of course. Thank you. No problem. Conversation 3. Sorry, I can't come today. That's okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. So we have some nice conversations to practice, and I want you to read these out loud using your mouth. Very good. Now I want you to listen to a story where I use all of the words you have learnt today. A day at the cafe. Hello, Sarah said as she walked into the busy cafe on a rainy morning. Hello, replied Tom, her friend, smiling as he waved from a table by the window. Excuse me, Sarah said politely. Could you help me find a free seat near you? Yes, of course, Tom said. Please sit here. It's not very crowded yet. Yes, of course, Tom said. Please sit here. It's not very crowded yet. Thank you so much, Sarah replied, placing her bag on the chair. I'm sorry I'm a little late, she added. The bus was delayed. No problem at all, Tom answered kindly. Do you want tea or coffee? Tom asked. Yes, please. A cup of tea would be lovely, Sarah said. While they waited, they talked about their weekend plans and shared stories. I hope I can help you settle in here quickly, Tom said. Thank you. I really appreciate it, Sarah replied. Finally, it was time to leave. Goodbye, they said together. Goodbye, my friend. See you tomorrow, Sarah added, smiling warmly. Very good. So I want you to try to find the 10 words you have learnt today. I'm going to go through some new words here. So we have waved. Now, waved is this. So when you wave with your hand, you can say hello or you could say goodbye. a free seat. So a free seat means an empty seat where there is no one sitting. Delayed. So the bus was delayed. So the bus did not arrive. It did not come. So there you have the story. So today I want you to go over the chapter again. Go over the vocabulary words. Listen to my pronunciation and try to copy me and say the words out loud. Well done. So you did a great job today. Well done. And I will see you in the next chapter.